Found this interesting mechanical device on Thingiverse, originally posted by Spence back in 2013. It was a long time ago. But it looked intriguing, so I went ahead and downloaded the files and found that all the files do have errors, but if you run them through a program like 3D Builder or something, you can correct all the STL files, and then they'll slice on anybody's slicer without a problem. And there's the action. It's a very clever way of turning rotational motion into a, in this case, vertical straight line. No matter where the gear goes, you can see it stays completely lined up. Very interesting. But like I say, once you correct the files, you should be able to slice it and print it. A few things are a little bit tight. The slot that this rod fits in here, I filed that out because it was a little bit too tight. And I went ahead and made the hole in the end of this piston rod larger so I could just put a screw in there to work as the pin. But fun build. Thank you for posting, Spence. Loved it.